Good morning, friends. So let us have the discussion about some of the headlines. So at least some part of the story on daily basis will help us to have at least one question in our IIBF exams, as they always tell that to have the additional materials for your preparation. So keeping that in mind, we will have a discussion of this daily banking news. So here is the first news. Because of the COVID-19, there is a lot of impact showing on the different sectors, as we are seeing daily. And here is one of the industry, that is a petroleum industry, says that there is a fall in the prices of petrol and diesel. One of the India's largest fuel retailer, that is Indian Oil Corporation, they says that there is a fall in the price of the diesel is about 10.92%. Sorry, it's 10.92%, and in case of petrol it is 1.74%. So there is a lot of drop in the prices. So that was the impact which is showing on the fuel industry. And here is one more news. This is the part of petroleum industry, and this is now which you are seeing is the retail, that is retail markets. As we know that just like Vijay or all other Bajaj electronics stores, the Chroma is one of the such kind of store which sells all these retail products. So they are also closing their shops, that means their stores, based upon the regulations which are given by the respective state governments. So Chroma is one of such store which is facing this COVID-19 impact. So one more news. So there was an estimation that when will the situation get under control, that is told by one of the person by name Vikram Kirloskar, the president of Confederation of Indian Industries, and he says that it may take at least 6 months for it to become the normalcy, because the situations are not good at all now. So for all the things to get settled down, it will take at least 6 months, which was told by the Vikram Kirloskar. He is the president of Confederation of Indian Industry. So some questions may be asked that who is the president of Confederation of Indian Industry. So sometimes we feel that it may be out of syllabus, but if we have a daily discussion, so they will be knowing what is what, so that it will be easy for us to write it in the examination. And but he also says that the positive sign that the Indian government is handling the situation is in a very well way when compared to the other countries. And also good sentence given here. Some says that India is the safest place today. It's a very good thing. Some says that India is the safest place today. It's a very good thing. And one more news here, that is Indigo announced pay cut for its employees. Worse, it perhaps yet to come. The CEO of this Indigo is Ranay Dutt, who has voluntarily says that 25% of his remuneration should be cut. That means he voluntarily giving his 25% of his remuneration as a pay cut because of this COVID-19, which is showing impact on its aviation industry. So he says that in the same way he was doing he was given some range of percentages, how much amount of should be put as a pay cut in the different categories of their employees. So band D, band C and band L, such kind of bands they are given. For them, how much amount of pay cut should be there, the percentages given over here. So we don't know how much it will be prolonged, the situation. So in order to run successfully in the market, they have to do some sort of sacrifices, and here we can see that CEO himself given 25% pay cut. And one more news here. Just IBF frames a business continuity plan for the banks, and this is very important. The business continuity plan should be there for the financial sector, not only financial sector, other sectors as well, wherever applicable. So, and IBF says that because of this COVID-19, the it given some norms saying that there should be staggering of duties and backup should be there for the essential services. So for that they had a meeting with top officials in their head offices and saying that everybody should be scattered. So the should not because of that services should not be stopped. So the main essential things are core banking and ATM switch and SWIFT operations. These are some of the main operations that should be served by the banks. So the respective department should be staggered or allocated, reallocation should be done so that services should not be stopped. And also another important departments like treasury department, that also should be employees should be scattered. That were instructions given. And also because of this kind of arrangements which are done to the employees of this financial sector, it will be good, so that the services which we are giving to the customers will not be stopped. Another important news here: Yes Bank yet to use RBI Credit Lifeline. RBI has sanctioned 59,000 crores for Yes Bank under Section 17(4) of the RBI Act that allows the central bank to give loans to the lenders in lieu of securities. So the Yes Bank has not yet to use RBI Credit Lifeline in case of emergencies. So these are the news for today. Thank you.